Hello, it's sleeping time, but I am not sleeping without this 5 minute hip mobility routine that should be done every night before sleeping. So let's begin. Let's do it together before we go to bed. Or you can do it at the bed as well. The first thing we are gonna do, we will take a tennis ball and just quickly open our fascia. So roll over the tennis ball 5 times on one glute. So I'm on this one right now. So 5 times, just make circles, and 5 times on another one. This helps in releasing the fascia and helps in loosening our hip muscles and decompressing the nerves there. So in the daytime also, you can just sit on the ball when you are sitting on the couch or your regular study table or work chair. Okay, so now let's move on to the motions. We are doing Z-sits. So open up your legs and go to one side, then another side. You can move your torso as well. Very good. Only 10 repetitions. Feels so good at the glutes, at the hips. Opening up. Okay, now start going forward in this. Good. 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 Now start straightening the back leg for our pigeon pose. Very nice. Let's go. And relax. Let's do butterfly pose now. So if you are having knee pain, then keep this gap, okay? If you're not having pain, closer and just move it. Opening up the adductors, the groin region, good for reproductive health as well. Let's go into pancake stretch. Open up your legs as much as possible. If you're someone having lower back issues, then just hold your toes and hold here itself. If you can go full down like me, then you can go down and just hold here for 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We can do 5 times, push downs in it. So down, up, down, up. If you cannot go that much, then you can just open up your legs as much as possible and just hold here. In that also, you'll feel some stretch here. But if you don't do this exercise regularly, then don't open very much, else tomorrow you're gonna have a lot of pain here. So don't open that much. And we're doing 5, 4, 3, 2. If you cannot go, of course, this much down, then you can just do like this. That's not an issue. Don't think that your body isn't enough flexible. It will become over time, right? Let's move on to hip circles. So we're going to come into a tabletop position. Let's do some good movement at our pelvis. I love it. Okay, 5, 4, 3, very good, 2, and 1. Let's change. This one is a really game changer for our hips. Very nice. 3, 2, and 1. Next one is kicks. So we're going to go up, down, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Without moving the back, we are keeping the back neutral. Change. Okay, last one. Coming into glute bridge, everyone's favorite and the easiest one. Hands at the sides. You're going to go up and down. Squeeze your hips while going up. Relax while coming down. Very good. Lovely. Let's hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we are done. So do this routine, and if you want a 5-minute lower back routine specifically for people who are having sciatica issue or lower back pain to do every night before sleeping, comment below and don't forget to subscribe the Aditi Yoga.